welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be taking out the blue from my hair. So this is the Mofajang hair paint wax part 2 review. So if you haven't checked out part 1, go check it out. It's me applying my hair and how I think about that. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post. So before I go in the shower, I just want to tell you guys how I wet this part of my hair so that I could put it in the ponytail or pineapple or whatever. So this part of my hair barely doesn't have any because some of it already came out. And it kind of turned gray in some areas. You can see it a little bit. Like some curls are gray and some other ones are blue. I guess this just happens over the days because it's been a week since I put the blue in my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it out in the shower and then come back and tell you how I thought it was as a whole and give my final review on it. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower. I'm going to the pool tomorrow, so all I did was put some conditioner in my hair and left it because I needed it to be in chlorine. That was so wrong. That wasn't grammatically correct. I need to put the conditioner in it or the chlorine tomorrow. So now my review. I'm so extra. If you saw the first part of the video, you know how I applied it and how I liked it. Everything was good. I did realize that maybe next time I need to apply it in sections because some of my hair came out more of a gray color than a blue. I'm assuming because I didn't have enough of the product. So next time I need to apply it in sections and not in whole like I did. The applying process was good. Like I said, my only flaw was the scent, but you couldn't even smell it once it was in your hair. So applying was good. I loved the color. Next time I might add a little more to make it a little brighter. Over the days, my hair lasted a good 5 days before I had to put it in a pineapple. Because yesterday was the first day I put it in a pineapple. So it lasted a good 5 days before I had to put it in a pineapple. What else? The color started to come out once I put my hair in the pineapple. Because before then it was still in, it was still good, it was still vibrant. So I guess because I was touching it to put it in a pineapple and touching it a lot, so I started to come out. So as long as you don't touch the hair, the wax won't come out. And then the process of taking it off, when you guys saw, it was really simple. It came literally right off. It didn't stay in the shower. It went right down the drain. There was no stain or anything on the shower, on me, on anything in the bathroom. Yeah, and it came right off. As you guys saw, I shampooed my hair twice. So that the first time was to take out the rest of the color, and the second time was really to shampoo it. So yeah, if you guys want a review on the SheaMoisture Low Porosity line, I got the 3 products: the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in. That was the first time I used shampoo and conditioner. So let me know if you want a review on all 3, and I will do that in my next video. So yeah, I'm definitely giving this a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna try more colors. I'm gonna mix them. Like, oh my god, I want to try the blue and the purple. Like blue on the top and then ombre into the purple. I'm probably gonna do that when I get purple, because I got purple from a color pop, or I think it was color something, but I felt like that didn't work really well in my hair because it was too thin for my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna get different colors and try to mix them because I love it so much, and I give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I post. Alright guys?